Number 6 is the money moocher guy. He never pays for your dates, borrows cash and cries broke, but buys himself fancy gadgets or fancy things. So ever dated someone who treats you like a wallet or like an ATM? Can you cover dinner? Loan me gas money, I'll pay rent. Next month, can you give me some money? Here's the scam. He's a human vacuum, sucking up your cash with puppy dog eyes. But when you need help, suddenly he's forgetting his wallet as always whenever you ask for help. Why you need to run away from these types of guys? He's a leech, not a lover. His tough times never end, and he'll drain your bank account and self-respect. Love should not feel like a never-ending loan. The fix? Demand fairness. If he's all take and no give, you need to walk and run away. And you deserve a partner, not a project. Remember, generosity is mutual. A man who loves you invests in us, not just Uber Eats. And always remember, you are a prize, not a paycheck.